All right, so this is a RainBird sprinkler system. And if I pull off the cover and look at it, you can see I've got it in the off position. Now what I want to do is I want to turn it on manually. So what I need to do is I need to go to auto, right? And then if I come over here and I just press this, it's going to start at the first zone and it's just going to go all the way through. So I'm going to go ahead and press this once, and then you'll see that it'll come on to zone 1, and it's going to go for 9 minutes. All right, let's go check it out. And bam, here we are. Zone 1 is cranking. It's watering. So we'll just go ahead and let this run. It's going to go for like 9 minutes. And we can also check and see where it's going. Make sure that we get everything properly watered. It follows me. Make sure it's sprinkling everywhere. Seems to be. So if you look at this one here, you can see that it's bubbling up from the bottom. So that means I got a problem with it. I'm going to have to replace that one. So I'll show you guys how to do that.